3 rookie med spa marketing mistakes you're probably making and you don't even know it. Now, these small but costly mistakes are costing you quality leads, they're costing you bookings, and they're costing you from building an aesthetics empire that patients are overly obsessed with and they want to come back time and time again. Now, again, these mistakes are rookie mistakes. They're very small mistakes, but they can be very detrimental and costly in the end. So let's go ahead and get into it while I do my skincare. And if you are new here, I'm Cheri, owner of Cheri Cobb Creative, a concierge marketing company, and we specialize in helping medical and dental aesthetic professionals. Now, I'm going to attempt to do my skincare while I talk to you guys, but I do not want the focus to shift away from the overall message. So if you want to know about any of the products that I use, just let me know, ask questions, but I will link everything in the description box below. So let's go ahead and start with the first costly mistake. Now, we did a total of 17 strategic marketing audits alone this week. What is a strategic marketing audit? It's where we review everything that you guys are doing on the surface level. You'll go to our website, you'll book it. It's very easy to do. So we look at your website, we look at your social media accounts, we look at your Google My Business profile, and then what we do is we send you a video audit that gives you actionable strategies that you can implement right away so that you can see a result. And remember, always remember that the gold is in the implementation, not the information. So just make sure after we go through these 3 rookie mistakes that you actually take action. And we did 17 alone this week, and these are where these mistakes are coming from, because like we noticed a lot of mistakes you guys are making, very small, simple mistakes. Some are, larger mistakes. You can start small and then make those changes today. Number 1, we noticed that a lot of you are not using social media properly. The links to your social media profiles, like your link in bio, it should always go to your website. There was a couple that stood out and they had the link in their Instagram account. For whatever reason, it was going to their TikTok account. Now, usually when we see things like that, it just indicates that this account is being managed by someone that's inexperienced, or maybe a front desk person, or a dental hygienist, or your 12-year-old niece. Like, we've seen it all. But bottom line, you don't want to miss out on traffic, and your website is your most prized possession. You own that. You don't own the social media platforms. We talked about this in our last video where I told you guys that social media is not going to save you and that you should be doing other things to complement your social media efforts. You always want to make sure you are driving social media traffic to your website. Statistics show that clients and patients, they are more likely to make buying decisions when they are on your website. So never miss out on those opportunities. Social media is the tip of the marketing funnel. So what that means is that is the place where most people will discover you. Most people will they'll even like stick around to find out if they even like you, if it's worth their time for them to, get to know you and follow you and engage with your content. That is what social media allows you to do. Now, once they've decided, yes, you're the aesthetics clinic for me, you are the person that I want to do my Botox and I want to do my fillers, then they will usually go to the website, and that's where they will, guess what, book an appointment, or they'll submit their information so someone in the office can call back. But if you just constantly bounce your traffic from social media to social media, you will lose the lead. The lead will go cold. This one just burns me, y'all, burns me down to the ground, is an overuse of stock photography. Now, we love Canva, okay? Shout out to Canva. Canva is a tool that we actually use in our marketing company every day. So it's no shade to Canva. But what I will tell you is that people are looking for a connection. And at a lot of the times, you may think that someone is booking your services because you offer Botox, or you offer filler, or you do breast augmentations, or you do porcelain veneers. You're the best in your city. At least that's what you think. Sometimes that's not why they're booking with you. They're booking with you to see some sort of connection, or they can relate to you in some sort of shape or form. And a lot of the times, Those are the driving forces that get people to book an appointment with you. It's not all the time that you just sell Botox or you just sell filler. People want to connect with real people through shared values, and social media is the platform that allows you to highlight those values and put them out there to give people the opportunity to connect. And it is very hard to connect with people through stock photography. So we're going to just stop using Jane from Canva in 2025 and beyond, and we're going to use the real life interaction that goes on in your clinics. You have a beautiful team, you have beautiful patients and clients, and I'm pretty sure they would love to help be a part of your marketing campaigns. You just have to have some sort of strategy in place in order to make that happen. But show off your staff, show them off, because there is nothing better than a patient interacting with your staff member online, or even you as the provider, and then they come into the office and then they see those same smiling faces. So I gave you guys 2 rookie mistakes so far. Let me know, are you guilty of any one of those mistakes? And let me know if this is helpful so far. Let's get into the 3rd rookie mistake that we see all the time, and that is not having a funnel. Let's take it back to number 1 with the link in your bio. The goal should always be, how can we get interested leads off of social media into our digital ecosystem? What can we do? We can get them on our email list. We can get them on our website so that they can enter their data. We can further nurture them to lead them to a buying decision. And that is what a funnel does for you. So it starts like this, kind of big, and then it goes down. And at the top of the funnel is your discovery platforms like social media. But the goal is to move them down the funnel. And the only way you're going to do that is by getting them off social media. Look, there is so much noise on social media, and there is a lot of opportunity for that interested lead to go over to your competition. And you do not want that to happen. You want to have the goal of funneling interested leads. I always, like, this is what I say, separating the leads from the likes. And how can we get the leads into your digital ecosystem so that we can continue to nurture them, continue to send them educational content, continue just to check on them and say, hey, this is what we offer, this is what we stand for, yada, yada, yada. Eventually, they will make a buy-in decision. Again, here are your 3 takeaways for this video. The first one, right now, like literally right now, I want you to go give yourself an audit, okay? And look and check these things out. Make sure you're not making these mistakes. Look at your social media links in bio. Where are they going? If they're not going to your website, then just fix it. Stop with the stock photography. I used to tell you guys that it was okay to just use a little bit of it here and there, but I'm gonna go with saying just stop using it. And then the 3rd takeaway is make sure you have a funnel to get your interested leads off of social media into your world so that you can push them to the sale. Now, if you found any of the information in this video to be overly complicated, if you're looking at me like I have 10 heads right now and you have no idea where to start, I challenge you to book a strategic marketing audit. Again, this is where we look at your information. We look at everything from a surface level. We don't look at the back end of your website. We don't look at social media analytics, conversion rates, or your CRM integrations, none of that. It's everything that we can see on the surface level. We'll send you a video review with actionable strategies that you can implement immediately and see results. And you can start by clicking the link in the description box below. Go ahead and book your strategic marketing audit. I can't wait to help more of you in 2025. And if you found this video helpful, leave your girl a thumbs up, because what that does is it signals to the YouTube gods that, hey, this video is valuable and it needs to be seen by even more thriving and ambitious aesthetic clinic owners just like you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for even more ways to attract your ideal clients because that's what it's all about. Before you even start doing all of these things, you need to know who your ideal clients are. Who do you want to serve? What do you want to be known for? And how can you speak to them? So what I want you to do is watch this video while you wait on the next video, because this video is going to help you get that much closer to identifying your ideal clients. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in that video. Bye-bye.